So, good morning, class. Today, I will tell you a very interesting story of me also. That is, when I was in class 7th or 8th, I sometimes get involved in different type of matters. Okay, so everyone want to know what is a matter, है ना? In that time, the matter was actually the fight between the senior and the juniors or the same classmates. But today, we are discussing different type of matter in scientific term. So, what is a matter in today world or in a scientific term? So, matter is something like that occupies some space. Okay, I remember that when I was in class 7th, sometimes I hit my classmate with a pencil. So basically, the pencil that I hold in my hand is actually the matter. Why it is a matter? Because it occupies some space, and definitely pencil have some mass. So you also see that in gym, there are several weightlifters. They used to with heavy weight of about 2 to 5 kg something. So can you please tell me that is a matter or not? Yeah, definitely it is a matter because it occupies some space in the universe. So everyone want to know what is the universe. Universe is actually a very huge land, or we can see that where we are living is the universe. So the matter is very famous. So now everything I think so now I think everybody will definitely know that what is a matter that occupies some space, and जिसका something have अस्तित्व, in हिंदी we call it अस्तित्व, जिसका कुछ अस्तित्व हो उसको matter कहते हैं. So the second thing that we need to discuss is this matter is pure or not. So what is pure? Sometimes our mom take milk from stationery. They generally took Amul Doodh, and in Delhi we took mother dairy, and she call it pure. Is there really pure? So in scientific term, pure is something that made up of one type of particle. So basically, in scientifically, that milk is not pure, but in view of our mother and in view of our household ladies, it is 101% pure. So scientifically, every matter is not pure. It is a mixture of several components. Okay, so we conclude that matter is not pure, and let us think about what happen if we combine different matter together. You see some Iron Man movies. You always you seen that in during some action, some part of Iron Man, like his hand are destroyed by the attack of Thanos. Then after some times it recover immediately with nanoparticles. है ना? Nanoparticles are combined with each other to form a big hand. So what I want to say, the combination of different element is form a compound. So basically that the whole thing that we get is called compound. Okay. Now I think you know that the difference between element and compound. Element is like a small unit, and compound is like a huge unit which is made by adding element together. Is called compound. Like for example, we have a ball. You see a sponge ball which have small granules in them. These are small. These small granules are basically element, and the one big ball is called as compound. Okay, so we are very crystal clear about the element and compound and whether it is pure or not pure. Now we come to know that something about liquid type matter. So liquid type matter we call it solution or liquid, है ना? So let us tell me what is solution. Solution, okay. Some of you reply that ganne ka juice is a solution. Yeah, definitely it is a solution. And some of them may say that lemonade is a solution. Yeah, it is solution. But in scientifically term, we define solution as a homogeneous mixture of element or compound. It's called solution. What is a homogeneous? Homogeneous. Okay, so homogeneous, we can say that these are brother of same mother and father. These are called as homogeneous, which are exactly same in their characteristic and their property to each other. These are homogeneous. So the group of homogeneous mixture can can form a solution. So and one more thing that is scientifically to note, that the size of the solution is less than 1 nanometer. So nanometer, everybody want to know that what is a nanometer. Okay, so nanometer is basically, you know about meter. Yeah, most of the student will know about meter. That is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So if we make meter to the power of 9, then is equal to 1 nanometer. So the second property of solution, that is the size of the every particle in the solution is less than 1 nanometer, which means it is less than 10 to power minus 9. And the other thing, because of their very small size, it cannot disperse the light in the medium, which means it cannot reflect the light, or light can pass through them without any disturbance, and we cannot see any path. So this is the third property of the solution. And at last, student, we are clear about the matter, whether it is a pure or not pure element, and solution and its property. So thank you so much. This is my class, and welcome. I hope you are clear